Hi, welcome back to my channel pibyme Maths. This is by WST01. In part 1 of this Statistics 1 video series, we learned about how to find the mean, median, mode, lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range and range for type 1 data. Here in this video, we'll be looking at type 2 data. Now in this type 2, how to find the mean, median, mode? First, to find the mean, you need to use this formula sigma fx over sigma f. So what is x and f here? X is always the category we are talking about. Here, they are talking about shoe size of the students. Frequency is how many times it's happening, how many times it appeared. So in this case, 39, the number of students with shoe size 39 are 3. Shoe size 40, there are 17 of them. So this is frequency, this is x. So shoe size is x, this is frequency. So to find the mean, you need to find the sigma f. So you need to sum up everything first. And then you need to find the sigma fx. You need to multiply them, x and fx. You multiply them and sum of this. Find the sigma of this, total of this, divide them, you will get the x bar. So we got the fx already, 39 times 3, 40 times 17, 41 times 29, so multiply everything and sum up everything, you get 3930. Sigma f is this, so sigma fx 3930 over 95 will give you the mean. So it's 41.368 or 41.37 or 41.4 depending on the level of accuracy your curriculum wants you to write. So this is how you find the mean of this group frequency table. Now, how do you find the mode? Mode or modal is the most repeated number, we know that, right? Now, to find the mode or modal, you need to look for the most repeated number. Often students get confused how to find the most repeated number. They just think that the biggest number here is a mode. That's not how it works. Mode is always the most repeated number. If you write them in if you write out all the numbers here, you are going to write 39 3 times, 40 will appear 17 times, and 41 will appear 29 times, 42 will appear. So 42 is the most repeated number. That's going to be the mode. So always look for the highest frequency, the corresponding x, that's the mode. And then the next thing is finding median. Now to find the median, you need to find something called the cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency is, just write the first frequency as it is and then keep on adding with the next one. 3 plus 17, 20 plus 29, 49 plus 13, 73, 83, 83 plus 12, 95. This last figure should always be the sum of this. Or when you read the question, when you solve a question and you find cumulative frequency, right? You need to read the question carefully. Sometimes they will mention that there are a total of 95 students. So this figure should tally with the figure given in the question. Otherwise, something is wrong. When you add up, you made a mistake or something. So this is cumulative frequency. Now take the last figure, 95, and divide by 2. For median, you always need to divide by 2. So it's going to be 47.5. Now listen to me carefully. To find the median, this is not median. So we always take mode, range, median, lower quartile, upper quartile, everything from the x actually. So to find the median, you need to look for, this is not median, this is how this is what we use to find the median. So you need to look for this number, 47.5, in cumulative frequency and check where the number lies. Here it's 3. So anything more than 3 till 20 lies in here. Anything more than 20 comes here till 49. So your 47.5 is in here. So the corresponding x is the median. So median is 41. So remember, that's how you find the median. You take the total cumulative frequency, divide by 2, and then you get a number, right? Look for this number in cumulative frequency and find out where the number lies. It lies in the third row. The corresponding x is the median. So we got the median Q2 already. Now to find the lower quartile and upper quartile, to find Q1 lower quartile, you divide the cumulative frequency, the sum of f, that's 95. Sigma f is 95. Divide the sigma f by 4. To find the upper quartile, multiply this 95 by 3 over 4. And then get the figure, check where the figure lies, where the value lies in cumulative frequency. This is 23.75. This is 71.25. So in this group data, group frequency table, right? To find the Q1, divide this sigma f by 4, find the number, and check where this number lies in this cumulative frequency. Anything more than 20 till 49 lies in here. So 23.75 also lies in here. So the corresponding one is Q1. You see, your median is same as Q1. Q2 is same as Q1. It is possible, do not worry about it. This data is a skewed data. We will talk about skewed data later. So do not worry about it. You might get the same value. And then 71.5. Anything more than 49 till 83 lies in here. So the corresponding x value is Q3. Now you can find the interquartile range. Q3 minus Q1 is 42 minus 41 is 1. If they ask you to find just the range, do not take the value from frequency, take the x value. 43 minus 39. That's 4. That's range. This is interquartile range. So that's how you find mean, median, mode, range, Q1, Q2, Q3, and interquartile range for this type 2 data.